Hello viewers, good morning everyone. I'm Sumina. How are you all? Hope that all of you are doing great. I'm so good. So right now I'm going to Mobazar because today I will share with you some different kinds of vegetables name and how to pronounce it in English. Okay, I'm just walking. You can see. You can see here is a lot of vegetable and I just want to show you every kind of vegetable with the name. Okay. First of all, you can see it's called potato, then corn or maize, then sour leaves, then you can see it's called jute leaves, okay, then you can see forest aram leaves, Malabar spinach, cucumber, then you can see it's called wax gourd, banana, then rice gourd, coriander, then tomato, chilies, then you can see it's called bitter gourd, then over there it's called Indian pennyroyal, betel leaf and betel nut, and it's called red amaranth, egg, onion, then it's called over there ginger and garlic, okay. Beside you can see raw banana, okay, kacha kola, then you can see it's called pumpkin, you can see again bitter gourd, then green long beans, then chayote squash, then fall, then you can see there are a lot of vegetable, okay. It's called pumpkin gourd leaves, then lady's finger or okra, pointed gourd, then white eggplant, then you can see green fay, carrot, milk, then you can see it's called edible fern, then you can see dry prawn, dry fish, lemon, mushroom, then radish spinach, you can see it's called zucchini, then you can see it's called little potato, then you can see little green chili, then it's called red steam amaranth, capsicum or bell pepper, then it's called spine gourd or teasel gourd, mushroom, beside you can see it's called rogra mushroom, cabbage, plantain tree, fish. It's called Pangasius fish. It's called eel. Then you can see it's called African catfish. Then it's called pork. Again, you can see it's called pumpkin gourd flower. Okay, pumpkin. Then amaranth, red amaranth. Little tomato, aram loaf, jackfruit. It's called brinjal. Then it's called plantain flower. Then radish spinach. Again cabbage. Okay. Finally, I arrived at home. You can see this is great. Okay. So thank you so much for watching my video. Thank you again.